Vehicle? Check out 2016 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.